We're excited to introduce our latest collection, Ethereal Meadows, inspired by Brennan Keane. Brennan is back with his second collection, and this time we're bringing 4 individual powders. This collection is a celebration of that first soft breath of spring, designed to capture the fleeting magic of a world coming back to life. Buttercup Blossom is pure warmth, soft sunlight, and spring in a jar, a cheerful blend of sun-bleached yellow, cream, and peach tones. Speckled Sky is a breath of fresh air for your projects, a blend of serene blues scattered with crisp white ultra-high specks. Think fluffy clouds across a sunlit sky. Bluebell Mist invokes the beauty of a woodland floor carpeted in its namesake's periwinkle blue delicate florals, with an iridescent sparkle throughout. Wisteria Wonder brings a graceful cascade of purple blooms. It packs a sparkly punch, but those bluish purple flecks of puff powder bring a perfect texture. The Ethereal Meadows collection is available to purchase now, and links are below in the description box. Happy embossing!